Hey guys, let's go over some posing tips for your next photo shoot. So first off, let's talk about what you need to start with. First thing you want to do is you want to talk to the photographer. Ask your photographer what they want. A lot of times photographers come into a shoot with different shots in mind, or sometimes the person who's hired them, the designer or the producer, already has particular shots in mind. So you want to make sure that they're getting what they want out of the shot. So be sure to ask them. Sometimes they don't and they just want you to freely go with it, but most of the time they have some shots that they want in mind to walk away with. So keeping that in mind, make sure that you're listening to any cues from the photographer as well. So as you're moving through, this is your second tip, as you're moving through the poses, don't move too quickly. Move at a moderate pace so that the photographer has enough time to shoot it, look at it and say, hey, I love this shot. Let's take a few more like this, just so that we have more to choose from. And so that's great to just be able to give the photographer the opportunity to stop you, because it is hard to remember, how was I posing? Let's look at the picture. Let's go back and try to recreate it. So if you move slowly through those poses, it'll be a lot easier to hold the pose or to remember and go right back to it as quickly as possible. Next, make sure to offer a variety of shots to the photographer with you smiling and with you serious as well. A lot of times models will come in and they're used to doing a lot of editorial work, and they'll do basically all very serious poses, and that's very challenging if you're trying to give a lot of variety to the photographer or for the project. So be sure that you're giving them options with each pose. Try to offer smiling and serious, of course, depending on the pose that you're doing, but oftentimes you are able to offer both smiling and serious, and it does change the picture a lot to do those two things. So make sure that you're offering that with each pose that you're doing. Next, make sure that you show up to your shoot and you're confident and you're ready to go and you're ready to hit the ground running. Practice your shots if you're fairly new to it, your different poses, stand in the mirror, and be sure that you're offering lots of different poses, but you're showing your confidence in there. If you're lacking confidence, it is going to show up in the picture. So make sure that you come in there and you tell yourself, hey, if you have to give yourself a pep talk in the car before you walk in, or need someone to give you a pep talk, or find a video to give you a pep talk, but make sure you walk in there with confidence and show them what you've got. Next up, you can use your hair, you can use your clothing, you can use your outfit as accessories to your poses. So if you're wearing like a jacket, you could do that. And make sure that you're creating a lot of angles with your arms, with your legs. And in these group shoots like this one, make sure that you're closing in the gaps and connecting with the others in the group with you. As you can see, when there's no closed gaps, you can see big spots there in between, and that is amplified in the final picture. So make sure that you're closing in those gaps. Be real close and nice, tight in with the people that you're posing in, and show them that you're very comfortable with them. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you were able to learn some new things from this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to NGM Modeling, and we will see you on your next shoot.